Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download Sprunki Phase Winter. Go to itch.io, click sprunkiphaseWinter.zip, just be patient. Click on the file you just downloaded. You have to extract the zip file first, but I already extracted it, so it's just gonna run if I do it. Click Windows. Click Sprunki Phase Winter. And there you have it. You officially downloaded Sprunki Phase Winter. Like and subscribe to my alt account and main account.